Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your application on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone and I'm going to hide some apps on this Android phone. First thing first, we can open our home screen and then we can tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen. And then the screen will look like this, and we have to go to the home screen setting. And here, if you want to hide application, you can select hide apps on home screen and app screen. And then for instance, I'm going to hide my Canva application and then the Facebook application as well. Then after you're done choosing the application you want to hide, you just need to click on done. And I'm going to check it on my app screen and home screen. As you can see that there is no Facebook application or the Canva application, because the application have been hidden from my Android mobile phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide application on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.